Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can set the due dates for card in the Trello board. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So let's say you already assign members to a card and this person will be responsible for doing this card. It would be best if you can assign the due date for this task. So what you want to do is you want to right click on this card, click on edit date. Here you will set the due date for the card. So let's say I want to set the due date to May 28, right? And then I would hit save. You can also edit the time here, or you can also send the reminder before the due date. But after you finish the customization, you can click on save. And now the card should have the due date May 28. If the due date is one day after the current day, let's say today is May the 3rd, right? If I set the due date to May the 4th, then the due date will become yellow, which means that it is urgent and you need to complete this task right away. And that is how you can set the due date for a card in Trello board. Thank you.